Animals as Natural Therapy serves over 400 youth at risk, veterans, and the elder. 88% need financial assistance to participate, and relies on donations and wonderful volunteers like Derek.
How did you get this job?
Volunteered for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had a sign out for free manure, so I stopped by with my truck, and their little tractor couldn't load me. So I offered to come back with my truck and trailer and tractor. So I loaded myself and all these other people, and that was about 8 years ago, and it just sort of grew into this.
Thanks to some very special donors, Animals as Natural Therapy just purchased a new tractor. But we need to raise the final $7,000. We use our tractor for so many things, like spreading sand in the arena, or shoveling our horses' manure into piles of great compost. Every year, Derek delivers our compost to Whatcom County schools, where 4,000 students learn how to grow organic food. Please help Ant raise the final $7,000 needed for the tractor. Our campaign ends December 15, 2016. Donate $5 or $50 or even $500. Every bit helps. With your support, our programs will flourish.
Thank you for your support.
Do it.
Thank you very much.
Third time, 3 times the charm.
God, I was coming.